So today I will tell you that whether Lipizet tablet can be used in pregnancy and during breastfeeding or not. Is it safe for the pregnant woman and breastfeeding mother or not? So today I will discuss it. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdurafe. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert and you're watching Rafi Healthcare channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Lipizet and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is atorvastatin. It's a 10 mg tablet and its manufacturer is Catch Pharma. Atorvastatin belongs to the statin class and it's a lipid regulating agent. So now let's discuss that whether this Lipizet tablet can be used in pregnancy and during breastfeeding or not. Is it safe for the pregnant and breastfeeding mother or not? So this Lipizet atorvastatin is not recommended during pregnancy. It is strictly prohibited. Why? Because it affects the fetus growth. Okay, it affects the fetus growth. Cholesterol is essential for the fetus at this time, so it inhibits the and decreases cholesterol levels, so it greatly affects the cholesterol synthesis of the fetus. So it you can say it interferes with the growth of the fetus, so it's a dangerous thing. So that's why it is not recommended during pregnancy. Okay, and also if the female is planning for the pregnancy in future, then at that time or in that condition it is also not recommended, because body needs to prepare for it. Okay, so in short, it is not recommended in pregnancy. Okay, now let's discuss that whether it can be used in breastfeeding or not. So it is also not recommended in breastfeeding too, because it passes from the breast milk and can affect the fetus too. Okay, mother is affected, but the main is fetus, which is why greatly affected from this. Okay, so it is not recommended also in breastfeeding, because it passes from the milk and affect the fetus cholesterol synthesis, which is essential for the growth of fetus. Okay, so in pregnancy and in breastfeeding it is not recommended. Okay, there is a separate list of medicines for the pregnancy. From there you can use it. Okay, now the question arises that if I can't use this medicine, then for this condition or any condition, which kind of medicine would I use during pregnancy? So there is a separate list of medicine. You go to your physician and pharmacist, they'll provide you a separate list of medicines used during pregnancy. They'll recommend you that for the painkiller you can use this medicine, for the vomiting you can use this medicine, and for any other hypertension or diabetes and other medical condition, they would prescribe you other medicine which are safe during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Okay, so from that list you can use the medicine. There are specific medicine you can use during pregnancy, because they are safe to use during pregnancy. Okay, you can get it from your physician and pharmacist. So I hope now it clears that Lipizet is not recommended during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Okay, so I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like and share my video too. If you have any question regarding this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can write in the comment section. I will reply you. And now take care of yourself and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdurafe in your prayers. Allah Hafiz and take care.